So here's our new to us 2005 Keystone camper. It needs some work. We drank some Coronas, watched some YouTube videos, now we're ready to go. This outdated curtains and patterns and furniture, whatever these things are called. What are they, toppers?
Yeah.
Toppers.
Awful toppers.
They have to go, as well as this nasty trim from, looks like it's from the 1970s or 60s. It's all got to go.
And what's the size of the camper?
It is a 26-foot Keystone camper.
Yeah.
Springer, I think it is.
Springdale.
Springdale, okay. So it's a nice camper. It's got a nice layout, but it looks like it came right out of Austin Powers. So we're going to try to make some changes over the next few months and see if we can make it look a little more modern, a little more tiny home, country home, that kind of a look. And the wallpaper border is gone from the stove and sink area. Looks better. Did leave a little hole getting the valance down. We'll crack fill that later. There, the valances are gone. I'd say it looks better already with just a plain white blind. Small first step. First step is complete. We're going to need a lot more lines.